Hey everyone, it's Lorraine. I just wanted to take a couple quick minutes to share with you a little bit about Post My Party. Post My Party is an excellent resource and I highly recommend it. There are some differences that are going on right now, but if you're new, these are all just new things, right? So, first of all, you'll want to make sure that you're watching these videos. You'll notice here they're just a couple of minutes long. You want to watch how to schedule a party, how to replace your tokens, and the rest of them you really don't know. This is kind of a good to know piece, but you don't know anything. You don't need to know anything about the professional level. That's a higher program. I don't even have that. And you don't need to worry about creating a template because we're creating one for you. So in saying that, I'm going to just show you really quickly what this template looks like and how to retrieve information from the template as well as from other resources that you'll be using with your business. So first of all, this is Post My Party. So you want to make sure you get Post My Party. You get a free 30-day subscription by using the URL of postmyparty.com/pampered chef, and you'll get it for free for 30 days. After that, it's $9.95. But remember, this does all the posting for you, so you do not have to manually post. So that is going to make sure that things are a lot more efficient and simple. So next thing you're going to use is the template spreadsheet. The template spreadsheet has all of the Canva links that you need to edit. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to put a little remark here that is going to say edit. And if you see that, that means that you need to edit the template in regards to the content. So these particular pieces here are non-editable because they don't have any personalization to them. They're just random. In other words, there's no picture of me, no image of me, nothing. So I'm going to write the word edit next to all of them that you need to edit. Okay. That way it's a little more clear and understandable as to what you need to do. So that's one resource that you're going to use. All of these Canva links are editable. So if you don't like something, you can certainly edit it as you choose. I see another one here that's definitely going to need some editing here. And you'll just have to kind of look through and look for all those edits. Okay. All right. So that's the second piece. So we have Post My Party you're going to be using, and you're going to have the template spreadsheet up that you're going to be using. And then you're also going to use boards. Boards is going to have all of the game answers. So you'll have access, or you should have access to our Read Rockstar board, which is going to allow you to see all things that you cannot necessarily see outside of boards or outside of Pampered Chef. So here is Consultant's Corner, some tips, 7 steps, the catalog, Monday Night Call, and then template information. So this is the May-June template, as well as the game answers. I do have a couple of thank you images for you to see just for your reference. And then banners, what banners go on what days. And this is a work in progress. Here are the games again. Okay, so if you see something missing, just message me directly so I don't miss where I need to make some changes. Okay, so let me show you what you need to do in Post My Party. It is critical that you edit the template. And what I mean by that is you don't have to make any major edits, but you do have to edit at least one sentence per post. There's 49 in here. You can add more, you can delete more. It's all up to you. It's your business. You can, run it as you choose. So how do you edit a template? So you'll see here, it says edit. Here's the problem. If you don't edit it, when I go to use this, it's going to say, this person did not edit the template. And then I'm going to have to come back and say, okay, why did you not edit the template? I need the template. So make sure that you edit it so I don't have to go back and re-edit. So this is what that means. So it says, who is ready to have some pre-party fun today? So you could literally just change this to say, I am so excited about our party, pre-party fun and games start today. And that's it. Okay. You have emojis here that you can use. You have italicized you can use, and then you have bold. And I like to bold things that I want to kind of stand out. So there we have that. All right. So that's enough to edit. The key when you're editing is make sure that you hit save changes, or it will not save your changes. And I'm not going to save changes here because I don't want to edit that in that way. So next, Here's our spring video. Exciting news, Pampered Chef has new spring products. Comment below with the products that caught your eye. So you can say, comment below with the products you'd love to add to your kitchen. That's enough, okay? So then you don't have to edit that video because it's generic. Then we have the cherry game. How many cherries are in the classic batter bowl? You could change that up to take a guess. So just change it up. Take a guess. How many cherries are in the classic batter bowl? The closest person wins a free prize, or whatever the case is. You always want to use hashtags because in your parties, it makes it super easy to locate these things so you don't have to travel through all of the content. So here's a great example of what you'll have to edit. Okay, so it says, ice cream man rolls into your neighborhood. I instantly want a chocolate taco. How about you? Comment below for 10 tickets towards the final drawing. These are all pre-party posts. So what we're trying to do here is just create engagement and not make it so Pampered Chef. So you'll notice here, there's a picture of me. You don't want me in your party. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Lorraine May template. This is the second day, and it's about the ice cream man. So we're going to click here. This is Friday pre-party. This is Saturday pre-party, ice cream man or truck. You're going to click this hyperlink. This is going to take you into Canva, and then you can then edit this particular image. So you can do a couple of different things. So here we go. So you'll see here that this is the one I'm using, and you making edits on here won't change anything. So you don't have to worry about making a mistake or mixing something up. It won't happen. So then click on this one because this is where you can put your picture, or if you don't want to put your picture, you can just color it the color of the background, and then it's all set for you. And what you're going to do is you're going to retrieve all of these images from your computer and upload them into Post My Party. That's how they will run effortlessly without any hiccups. So that's what you're going to do when you're going through the template and making your edits on things that are associated directly to me. So I'm going to try to go through here and click edit or type in edit for all the ones that you absolutely need to edit. That means if there's something with me in it and you want to edit me out. Okay, let's go back into Post My Party. So that saves those changes there. And here's our measuring tool. So here's another game. I want games in my party a lot because that means people are going to be reaching out to me. So you're going to see quite a few of these. You can add them, take them away, whatever you feel is best for your business. That's just, it doesn't need to be edited. But again, here, you could say comment for 25 tickets. And then actually I wanted to change this because I shouldn't use that kind of slang without telling. All right, there we go. All right, so we'll save that. And then, okay, so here's another one. This is the welcome. I'm glad we went over this. This is the welcome pre-party video. And Stacy has been super helpful in giving us the words. So we just basically kind of edit just a tad bit. And it says here, hello everyone, and welcome to bracket host bracket. So what this is going to tell Post My Party is that we want the host name there. That's why in that other one, we put in Kelly's name. So it's very easy to see. Today's pre-party Sunday, blah, 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 blah. Okay. And then that video is going to play. So obviously this is where you're going to want to make some changes. So we're going to go back to the spreadsheet, and this is welcome video right here. Okay. Here are the daily party videos with table. So Stacy actually gives you the words to use, and you just edit them up a bit and do your own video. Nothing has to be perfect. Just put yourself out there. Again, it is going to create that personalization, and it will be much more effective because people book parties because of you. They buy the product despite your effort. They know Pampered Chef, but they book a party and they become a consultant because of you. So if they only see a computer and they're just like, well, who's behind that computer? They wouldn't know, right? So we want to make as much personalization as possible. So then there's one of my family. So you'll definitely want to edit that. And then this one would be one you wouldn't have to edit, but you do have to edit the content here on every single post. So I just wanted to share kind of how this all ties together. So you're going to have to Post My Party. You have to edit every single post one time. Then you're covered from May through June. Okay. Then you're going to have the Lorraine template where you can copy these links and use them for editing purposes. And then you'll have the Read Rockstar board with all the games and the answers. Again, you can delete, you can add anything that you want, because once you have it in your possession, it is yours. So let me just show you one more party that then we'll be done for today. Okay. So let's click new party. Let's click group. And then you're going to click next. Let me go to one of my parties on my other screen here. All right. And what we're going to do then is we're going to select the group. Actually, we're going to add a new group. So let's add in Danny. So we're going to add in Danny. And all we're doing here essentially is grabbing the URL link from Facebook. So let me actually do it on this side so you can see what I'm doing. That would be nice. Let's go back here. Let me click on Danny. And then we're going to click here. We're going to click copy. That's her URL. Then we're going to type in Danny S. And then we're going to paste in that URL. And then we're going to click next step. Then we want this to start last Friday. So then all the content from today on is going to be ejected into the party. And she's actually in Arizona. So she is Central Time. Not Central Africa, but Central Time. Got to make sure it says Central Time Chicago. There we go. Hit next step. We're going to choose the template. Hit next step. And her name is Danny. And then we're going to hit next step. And then we're going to hit confirm and schedule. Okay. So now we're going to go into the extension, and now we have Danny S's party all here ready to go. Now this is really going to come out at 10:45, but ultimately you will see here that this is going to come out at 11:45 because she is Central Time. So I hope that helps. And if you have any other questions, just make sure you watch the video. And then after you watch the video, I can certainly help you out. And you can watch the videos and post my party. And all of these videos are also located in the 7 steps. Thanks so much.